Hello, friends! Mama and I are out enjoying a little ride around town and wanted to bring you all along. Hope you enjoy our little adventure. Several people have asked Mama how she got started riding her bike and why she chose an e-bike. Well, you see, Mr. David, Mama's husband, got real sick last year, and Mama had to spend a lot of time in the hospital with him. Mama noticed she was putting on a few extra pounds and needed to get some exercise with fresh air and sunshine. During Mr. David's stay in the hospital, Mama had lots of time to watch videos on YouTube and TikTok. And she saw some people her age riding e-bikes. Now don't get me wrong, Mama ain't no spring chicken, but she ain't old. The thought of riding a regular bike just seemed a little bit too hard to her. But that e-bike looked like fun and looked like something she could do again. She used to ride a bike a lot when she was a kid. She was a little bit nervous. It had been nearly 35 years since she'd been on a big bike. She spent time on the internet searching and researching bikes, and she discovered e-bikes as what she wanted. They look like an easier way to get back into riding. E-bikes are super similar to a regular bike, with some added features that help you climb mountains and go longer distances and help you pedal. A lot of people say it's cheating, but Mama will tell you, they still give you a pretty good workout. She even lost 18 pounds last year while she was riding. Mama didn't have a lot of money to spend on a bike, so she headed over to the Amazon to see if she could get something in her budget. Since we really didn't know a lot about e-bikes, and still don't, Mama just chose one that was pretty, it was in her price range, and of course had a basket. Riding alone ain't even fun, and her wanted to take me with her, so she got one with a basket. Sure do love my Mama. When her bike arrived on Memorial Day weekend, she set out to put it together. It wasn't super hard, and before you knew it, she was ready to ride. We had a lot of fun adventures around Berea and are still hoping to get a hitch and a bike rack so we can go to neighboring towns and enjoy their bike trails. Don't you worry, we'll take you with us. And if you plan on an e-bike, a couple things Mama wanted me to tell you. Get one with an odometer, a cup holder, or a bottle holder, a good helmet, and a U-lock. Those are pretty important. Also, ours runs about 40 miles on a battery charge, so make sure you get one that will take you as far as you want to go. Oh, and when you pedal, you aren't using your battery, so that means you can go farther. And don't forget a basket for your fur baby. If you need any more information, Mama said it's best to just stop by a bike shop and talk to them. Hope this helps. Well, I hope we've been helpful today, and I hope you've enjoyed your little adventure with us. If you have any comments or questions, please let us know. If you don't care, please like, follow, and comment. We sure would love to get to 100 followers. God bless, and we'll see you on the next video.